Guys, in this video, let me teach you how can you recover your Gmail account password without the need of your recovery email, any emails, or even your phone number. So let's get started. Go over on your Google Chrome here or browser, anything. So just search for Gmail recovery. And you have to go over and tap on this account support here, the second link. And over here, you just have to type in your Gmail email here, and for this one you just have to try a different question. And if this device is yours, it will ask you to check your Poco F3 or your device. So mine is Poco F3, and you just have to search that on your phone and you should be good to go. And if not, guys, if the device is really yours and you've logged in this email on this device for before, you will have the notification that says Google confirm this phone is yours, and you will be logged in quickly and you will be asked to change your password. Okay, so that is the first way. So I'll show you the second method, guys. So go on over on your Google Play Store and go over on the upper right corner. And you just have to tap on help and feedback here. And over here, you just have to go ahead and tap on contact us. Over here, you just have to tap or type in Gmail account recovery. Next, and type in other here. And on the which specific area do you need support, just have to tap on Google Play apps. Next step, and for this one you just have to select this one, how to recover your Google account or Gmail. Once you are here, you will be greeted with this one, so you can go ahead and read this if you want. It will help you also in having information. But we need to just tap on this link, recover your Gmail account or Gmail here. And for the introduction here, I'll show you what it says. So it basically says if you have signed in your email on this device before, then you will have a high chance of recovering your email. So keep that in mind. So just let's go over and tap link, and over here just have to go ahead and type in your email again. Try another way, and as you can see, this email is not mine, but you just have to go ahead and make sure that the email is logged into your device before, so you will have a high chance in recovering your email without the need of your email and phone number. So that is all for today, guys. Thank you for watching and goodbye.